Renting this year? Keep $200 more in your pocket this month. 3 simple moves. No side hustle. No spreadsheets at midnight. Start today. Feel lighter by payday. You're tired. Bills stack up. Groceries creep higher. Dollar store deals pull you in. The credit card minimum whispers it's fine. It isn't. None of this is your fault. Life is busy. Money gets messy when time is short. So we make the rules shorter than your to-do list. Rule 1. 2 accounts. 1 for bills. 1 for spend. Bills gets rent, power, Wi-Fi, phone, and subscriptions. Spend gets groceries, gas, and fun. That's it. Keep them apart. Give every dollar a home before it wanders off. On payday, move 60 to 70% into bills. Do it first. Pretend that money lives in a locked room. Auto-pay those bills. The rent gets paid on time without drama. The lights stay on. You don't accidentally use rent money on a late-night scroll. Clean lines beat willpower. This is guardrail finance. In the spend account, you see the real number you can use. No guessing, no mental math. If it's low, you feel it early and adjust. If it's high, you can breathe. Guilt drops. Clarity rises. That calm makes better choices cheaper. Watch your chart go up as your money organizes itself. Rule 2. Capsule Kitchen. 12 staples. 3 fast meals. Repeat. Takeout is a sneaky cash bleed. It's not the one big splurge. It's the 4 small orders that stack into a problem. Build a tiny pantry that kills the urge. Pick simple anchors: rice or pasta, eggs, frozen veggies, beans, tortillas, chicken or tofu, tomatoes or sauce, oatmeal, coffee or tea, yogurt, bananas, and your favorite seasoning. That's your capsule. Aim for meals that take 15 minutes or less. Tacos, stir-fry, omelet, and toast. Loop those through the week. Boring? No. Predictable is powerful. Predictable equals paid. Here's the math. Average renter orders takeout 4 times a week at $15 each. That's $240 a month. Cut it to 1 order a week. $60 a month. You just kept $180 without a side job. That alone can be the rent buffer you've never had. Use a small rule to reinforce it. Order only on Fridays. Never open delivery apps on weekdays. Keep a 5-minute hunger kit on the first fridge shelf. Yogurt, fruit, and a pre-cooked protein. Hunger makes expensive choices. Prepare for hunger when you're calm. Rule 3. The bi-weekly debt trick. Pay half your credit card payment every 2 weeks. 26 half payments equals 13 full payments a year. An extra payment without feeling it. More important, money hits the balance earlier, so less interest compounds. Same dollars, smarter timing. Set a reminder for the 1st and the 15th, or match your paydays. If your normal payment is $100, pay $50 and $50. If cash is tight, try 60% on day 1 and 40% mid-month. Earlier beats later. Consistency beats intensity. Banks love when you wait. Don't wait. Meet Jamie. Small apartment, flexible schedule. Before using these rules, Jamie ordered takeout 4 times a week. $240 a month on food that was supposed to be just this once. The credit card balance sat at $1,200 with a 24% APR. The payment was $100 a month. It felt like treading water. Jamie switched to a Capsule Kitchen and dropped takeout from $240 to $60. That freed $180 this month. Jamie also split the card payment into 2 $50 hits, 2 weeks apart. Same 100 total, but paid earlier. Over a year, that's roughly 13 full payments instead of 12. Interest shrinks because the balance stays lower for more days. Jamie finishes paying off the debt about a month sooner. Not magic, just math moved earlier. What changed for Jamie? Fewer whoops fees. Fewer what's left? Panics. Bills account blocked rent money from accidental spending. Spend account told the truth in one number. Capsule Kitchen cut emotional buying at 6 p.m. Bi-weekly trick pressed interest down without pain. Small levers. Big calm. Maybe you're thinking rent is too high, so none of this matters. It does. You can't move today, but you can stop the leaks today. Variable costs change fastest. 2 accounts stop cross-contamination. Capsule kills the weakest habit. Bi-weekly payment squeezes interest while you sleep. Stack those 3 moves. Buy time, then make bigger moves. Maybe you're paid monthly and can't do bi-weekly. You still can. Split payments inside the same month, day 1 and day 15. Or set 2 autopays from the spend account. If cash flow is lumpy, go 60% on payday and 40% mid-month. Goal: earlier, not perfect. Complexity kills habits. Keep it light. Let's tighten the edges. Cancel one subscription you forgot about. Move it to a pause box instead of forever. Most subscriptions restart in 2 taps. Redirect that money to bills. Add 1% to your rent buffer until you hit half a month's rent. That buffer upgrades your sleep. Build friction where it helps. Delete saved cards in delivery apps. Keep your card in another room at night. Put a sticky note in your wallet that reads, "Rent is resting. You are not weak." You are designing around human behavior. Smart beats heroic. Use numbers you can feel. Track 3 things this month. Bills transfer % takeout orders per week. Payment dates. If those 3 improve, your money improves. Your brain loves small wins. Give it proof every Friday. If motivation dips, set a visible ritual. Sunday 10-minute reset. Make rice, boil eggs, chop 1 onion. Those 10 minutes erase 3 weekday decisions. Decision fatigue costs money. Pre-decide when you're calm. Your future self is the best budget app you own. If you live with roommates or with a partner, share only the 2-account idea, not the full budget. Agree on bills, then give freedom on spend. Fewer fights, more clarity. Label the shared calendar with rent day and 2 card payment dates. Habit loves a clean calendar. If groceries feel high, use the 3-meal loop. 1 pot, 1 pan, 1 no-cook. Post the loop on the fridge. Repeat for 2 weeks. Add 1 spice you love. Remove 1 snack that disappears too fast. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a repeatable plan. If your card balance is bigger than Jamie's, scale the math. 2 half payments beat 1. Capsule beats 4 deliveries. 2 accounts prevent rent from leaking. Add extra money later? Great. Foundation holds on lean weeks. Build habit first, then add fuel. What about emergencies? Start with a tiny cushion. $100 in bills account, then $200, then $500. Use takeout savings for the cushion. When a tire pops, you don't touch rent. Buffer guards your month from chaos. Calm has a $sign. If you want to go further, assign nicknames inside your bank app. Bills, do not touch. Spend, guilt-free. Naming changes behavior. Your brain treats labeled money like buckets, not puddles. Buckets don't mix easily. That's the point. Watch for early wins. A bill paid on time. A Friday with money left. A moving card balance. Celebrate small. A coffee. A walk. A screenshot of the graph. Wins compound faster than interest when you notice them. Here's your move set for today. Open a second checking account if you don't have one. Transfer 60 to 70% of your paycheck to bills. Turn on autopay for rent and utilities. Write your 3-meal loop. Pick Friday as the only delivery day. Split your card payment and schedule both dates. 10 minutes total. Done. This is the renter's edition for a reason. You don't need a garage freezer, fancy stove, or raise to start. You need guardrails, a tiny pantry, and smarter timing. Keep 200 this month. Keep more next month. Small, steady, boring. Boring is beautiful when your balance grows. Ready for tools? Grab the beginner renter pack in the description. 1-page checklist, 2-account template, bi-weekly planner. Plug it in. Start today. Keep your first 200 this month. Then teach someone you love the same 3 moves. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Which rule will you try first? Share your Friday win in the comments. This is educational content only, not financial advice.